right, everybody. Got an immaculate cruiser here today. 1963 Chevrolet Nova. This is a real SS car. Got a nice, fresh 350 under the hood. It's got a 700 R4 automatic overdrive transmission. So yeah, you can really get out on a highway, cruise this one. Put some miles on it, going to the car shows, ice cream shop, whatever it is. It's a real looker, I'm gonna tell you that. So, really nice redone interior here. The seats are very cushiony, very supportive on the sides. It's got a great feel to them, a little springy, a little bouncy. Definitely like that. Put the additional gauges up here. Got the little tack under the dash. This shifter is really cool too. It kind of looks like a manual shifter, if you will, but it's an automatic. So, yeah, let's see what she's got. All right, just like that, up to highway speeds, absolutely no problem. I tell you, real nice cruiser here. It looks like it's really well dialed in. All the gauges are working. Speedometer, the clock is working. Got something flapping in the back, our sign. Let's grab that real quick. And yeah, just beautiful car. Get in, turn the key, drive. You're gonna get compliments on this one. Between the color and the quality of the bodywork is just phenomenal. And the engine bay is just like spotless, very nicely detailed. Underneath, all done as well, completely redone. Steering, suspension, has front disc brakes on it. Everything works really nicely. Turn signals cancel. Our shop went through the entire car. They had to redo the taillight wiring, and we had it aligned. Other than that, it was really dialed in. You could check out the entire service log on our website at volocars.com. But yeah, really nicely dialed in car. Absolutely no disappointments here. It's a great cruiser. Yeah, come down, test drive it for yourself. This is one that, yeah, it's going to steal your heart. Great car. Get in, have some fun for not a whole lot of money. And, yeah, check out all the details, the pictures, and the full description on volocars.com.
Shawshank Redemption is overrated, but the best two-word answer, how to start a fight in 5 words or less,